This is our new Design 550 series oil-free vacuum pump. This model with new structure with 20% improvement in efficiency. The maximum vacuum pressure can reach to -99 kilopascal. The maximum vacuum flow can reach to 100 liters per minute. Motor temperature rise is less than or equal to 57 Kelvin. Insulation class is F. The noise is less than 55 dB. Our vacuum pump use it very easy. After you get the pump, just connect the air filter to exhaust port, and connect with power plug will be okay. The plug can be customized according to different countries. Our pumps are tested before shipment, and each process is inspected 3 times. The failure rate of our pumps is 0%. For all products, we provide 2 years quality warranty, and we are a manufacturer, accept ODM and OEM orders. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us.